guys, welcome back to Cricut Monday. What we're going to be doing today is I have a glass trivet from the Dollar Tree and I want to embellish it with vinyl because I never seem to have enough trivets, okay? And if you don't have a Cricut and you're not interested in this video, I hate to see you go, but I will see you tomorrow for a vlog. I'm really looking forward to it. You're going to see all three of us and we're so excited. Okay, so I'm just going to go to new projects, the circle with the plus, and I'll click on that. That'll put it on our canvas. Now I've already uploaded this image and it is free, and I'll leave it in the description box, the link, if you're interested. You could also print it out and just put it in a picture frame if you're interested, okay? Because it has a PNG and SVG, okay? So now we're going to go to images, left-hand corner, click on that. And like I said, I've already uploaded mine, so I'm going to ownership, uploaded. And this is it. I think it's so cute. When you click on it, it puts that green box around it. Then we're going to go to insert images. And it comes in really large, so out from size, I'm going to unlock that lock, and I'm going to put 6.50 because I want to make the width and the height 6.5. 6.50, and then I'm going to lock that little lock back, okay? Now, let me zoom in. Now, if we go to make it right top corner, and let me zoom in here, you'll see that all these letters, and I know it's hard to see because they're black letters on a black background, but a lot of them are just kind of any old way, and we don't want that, at least I don't, so I'm going to cancel it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach it, okay? But I want to go ahead and make my lemons right here in the center yellow. So I'm going to go over, I'm going to cut them separately. I'm going to go turn the eye off of my lemons. I have 3 lemons and my 2 leaves. Okay, so we're just going to print this out, cut this out first. Now this really fine writing might be hard, I'm not sure. So we're going to go to make it right top corner. And that, let me zoom in. Now I'm going to turn my mirror on, okay? And I have my Cricut set to custom. And the reason we're mirroring this, normally you don't mirror vinyl that is just like self-adhesive vinyl. You would only mirror heat transfer vinyl. The reason we're mirroring the self-adhesive vinyl is I want to put it on the back of that trivet so it doesn't get messed up, okay? So make sure that you mirror your image. See, if I click on that, that's, you read it right. I don't want that. I want to click and turn that mirror on, okay? Then we're going to go to continue. And I have, like I said, I have Arteza vinyl. The only problem with it, sometimes you have to double cut it. So I don't know. So I'm going to choose premium and I'm going to give it more pressure, okay? All right, the next time you see me, we will be cutting this out. Okay, I think I'm going to not cut it twice and see, so we'll eject it. And I'm going to take it off the mat. Okay, so now I'm going to hit finish. Now there may be an easier way to do this. I just don't know what it is. Okay, so if you do know, let me know. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on my lemons. Okay, and then I want to go turn everything else off. All right, and I'm going to, now I think I'm going to do my lemons first, so I'm going to turn my leaves back off and just do my lemons. So I'm going to go to make it right top corner, and I'll zoom in. That will let you see that now I can put yellow vinyl down. I'm going to be using the yellow Arteza vinyl and the green vinyl from Arteza for the leaves. Okay, so you just go to continue and you just keep repeating this. So I'll come back when it's time to weed. Okay, so I've cut out my lemons on the yellow and my leaves on this. All right, so now I'm going to start weeding this out. Now before, and Maggie is barking, I don't know what. I think there's someone out there. Let me go check. Okay, here's my glass trivet from the Dollar Tree. And anytime you apply vinyl to any surface, besides wood, you need to clean it with rubbing alcohol. So I've already done that. And you're going to need your light grit mat. And now I'm just going to weed away everything I don't want, okay? And you want to go slow because you don't want to lose some of your letters. Okay, the Arteza did really well. I only need to put this Y down. Okay, I think I have everything weeded off of here. All right, and then when you're looking at it, it looks right, okay? But that's because I reversed it. Okay, now I'm going to take my transfer tape. Probably shouldn't have picked something with real tiny letters because it can be a pain. I think some of my vinyl is old. I've had this vinyl from Arteza for quite a while, so I think you can see how it's stuck there to the paper, and then it's stuck right here. So I'm just going to take my scissors and cut this off, because I don't absolutely have to have it. Okay. Then what we're going to do is take our trivet that I've already cleaned with rubbing alcohol, where I'm going to apply it, turn it upside down, and then just figure out where I want it, and apply this right on here. So when I went back and did my lemons and my leaves, I also mirrored those images, okay? So just start pulling back. This is so cute. And don't throw away your transfer tape because you can reuse it, okay? And that is what we're getting so far. I think that is really pretty. Now I'm just going to get my lemons that I did, and I'm going to cut it down. Okay, we're going to peel away everything that we didn't need for this. This is very much, you could do this as a beginner without any problems. And if you're worried, you could just not do a lot of the smaller letters. And you could even turn off the eyes to that bottom part that I took off because my vinyl was just, I don't know, I guess it gets so hot down here that I guess it just got old. I've had it for well over a year. Okay, then I'm just going to take some transfer tape. Okay, I'm going to peel this off. I'm going to stick it to my table. Make sure it's not too sticky. Then I'm going to put this right on my lemon and adhere it. I just thought this would be so cute for spring and summer. Okay. And then we're going to put this right there. And then we're just going to peel it off. Okay. And that's what we're getting so far. Now we just have to do the little leaves. But like I said, this is a really, really simple little project, and a beginner can definitely do it without any problems. Okay, then I'm going to do my leaves. Okay. And now my leaves go up to the top, about like that. And I'm going to adhere them and then just peel this off. Okay, let's take a look at it. All right, here it is. I think that is just so pretty. Farm fresh, family owned since 1927. Lemons you pick, 25 cents per pound. But I think that is so cute. And now nothing will hurt it on the top because it's on the bottom. You could also seal this with like a dishwasher safe Mod Podge. And you know, in case you needed to wash the bottom for some reason. But I think this is adorable. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out on YouTube. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and become a member of our family. And if you subscribe, hit that notification bell and set it to all so you won't miss an upload. So like I said, I will see you tomorrow, Tuesday, for a vlog. Until next time, bye guys.